national anthem. We are moving on very well. I just want to first on today. And that is the region.
What we do with our youth here in Naivasha is, number one, help them in regaining their hope by sharing the love of Christ, because the Panua Partners in Hope is a church program. And then the next thing that we do is help them to learn life skills, things that nobody ever taught them in their life, and how to handle their livelihoods, how to make decisions, how to handle their angers, or even do business plans.
I actually had a good experience. They have totally changed our lives. Life at Panua is so awesome. Actually, when we are acquired with different skills.
It begins with empowering youth who are orphaned and vulnerable by providing hope through Christ's love. After they regain the hope, they can begin to build life skills and vocational training so that they can achieve also economic success. And we've seen that here today with the salon graduation. Now that they have a skill, they can begin their career and begin to support the siblings and other children that they are left to care for.